This is mixed lassi, guys. Gonna be my first time trying the Nepali mixed lassi. Famous drink here in Nepal. In India, like one coconut there in India, it costs like the highest price 30 rupees. This one 250, 50 or 250. One is 250. Oh my gosh! Like how? From where? Nepal doesn't. From where Nepal get coconut? So guys, I'm gonna try lassi here. They said lassi is a famous drink. Lassi is a famous drink here also in Kathmandu. So here they have the prices, guys. So they have like special variety of lassi, mango lassi, mixed lassi, banana lassi, papaya lassi. And I'm just gonna try the mixed lassi. Yeah, let's try the mixed lassi and see. Bro, come. How much is kg of orange? You don't know? I think he don't know how to speak English. 190 kg, huh? This one? Banana. I guess 170. Okay. And this one? Okay, 220. Apple pieces, one piece. How much apple? One. You don't know English? English no? Sure. One apple is 70. Okay. And guava? Guys, here is, they have to check the weight. They have to check the weight of apple or guava to see how much is it. And the fruit prices are little bit expensive here. Compared to India. But anyway, because it's like the Indian rupees is higher than a Nepali rupee, so that is why it's little bit expensive. But honestly, in India, like one coconut there in India, it costs like the highest price 30 rupees. This one 250, 50 or 250. One is 250. Oh my gosh! Like how? From where? Nepal doesn't. From where Nepal get coconut? India. From India, no? Okay, that's why it's very costly. In India, it's only 30 rupees. I just told you guys that is why it's so costly, because of transport. Because of transportation charges, they have to import it. It is exported from India, guys. That's why. 150 guava. Okay. This is mixed, right? Okay. This is mixed lassi, guys. Gonna be my first time trying the Nepali mixed lassi. Famous drink here in Nepal. Wow. This is what? This is nice, guys. This is nice. It is nice, guys. It's nice. I love it. But I'm still shocked. I'm just still shocked of this coconut, guys. Here they sell one with 250 Nepali rupees. So 100 Indian rupee is equal to 160 Nepali rupee. So I don't know how you can imagine how much this one. In India, the highest price is 30 rupees only, I can say, because I came from India. But in Nepal, wow, the fruit prices are crazy here, guys. And I don't know which is the most They said Nepali national fruit is orange, right? Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
You're from?
India.
India, yeah. He's from India also, guys. I was just talking about India. In India, I'm from Africa, South Sudan. But I came from India also.
Oh.
Yeah. In India, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes. In India, this one is only 30 rupees.
20, 30.
20, 30. But here is 250 because they have to bring it from India.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
Everything is so small, not big.
Yeah.
Too much costly.
Yes. Because India money is more in Nepal.
160.
Yes, that's why. Yeah. Which one is this? Which drink is this?
Orange juice.
Orange. How is it?
I don't know. I'm not asking.
How is the taste?
Yeah, correct.
It's fine, huh? Okay. I found one India friend here also in Nepal. How is Nepal for you?
This is my second day.
Second day?
Yeah.
Oh, me 1 week so far.
I come from Kuwait, direct.
Kuwait?
Yeah, direct. Yeah.
Wow.
Now I am going to India.
Okay, me I came from India, but again going back India also.
I also.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I will go India.
Okay. Yeah, guys, just know that coconut price is crazy here in Nepal, and wow. Anyway, because of India currency is more higher in Nepal. That is why. But this is too much for a coconut, and for guava also. He said one guava was almost, I don't know, it was so expensive, and one apple was like 70 rupees. That's fine for 70 rupees. And watermelon was for 1 kg is 80 rupees. For 1 kg was 80 rupees. Yeah. This is 250. 250 guys. 250. Yeah. Okay, bye. Huh? So guys, I just came to know that Nepal also import most of their fruits from India, guys. Because Nepal and India, they are just neighboring country, and for all the Indians to come to Nepal, they don't need visa, and for the Nepali people to be in India, they don't need visa, which is a very great relationship between these two countries. And the fruit juice was nice, guys. Yeah, the fruit juice was nice. I love it. Yeah, that was lassi drink, guys. The lassi was nice, worth the price, and it was tasty and mixed. Yeah. So now I am in the center of Asant market. Asant market. This is the center, guys. Asant market. This is very big market, guys. Very big market. You can literally find everything here, guys, in this market. Very huge. And it's my first time. I'm just walking around here, getting to know the prices for the products, for the items, for the fruits. Yeah. Shiny, it's really nice. It's now becoming a little bit crowded, guys. It's just 10 in the morning. Yeah, 10 in the morning, and I can see a lot of stuff. This is fried, dried buffalo. Yeah. Okay. Like how do you sell it? Is it like pieces or with kg?
kg.
Kg how much?
1800.
1800. Okay. Guys, there is something similar. I'm seeing it here. Like we African also have the same similarity. Like you see they dry that buffalo. They dry that meat. And this is what we usually do also in Africa. We also dry some fish and we make it that way because it will stay longer. It will stay longer and it will not spoil. Like mostly in Africa, people who don't have fridge, when they buy more of meat, then they dry it this way. Or when they buy more fish, they dry it and they can eat it for a very long time in a safe way without it getting spoiled, guys. Yeah. And I just found out here in Nepal, people love to consume buffalo, chicken, and pork sometime. But I see chicken and buffalo is the most consumed out here, guys. So let's get to explore more and see